Pathfinder, right? When I select the event I want to view, right? When I select like 2 events, it brings out a lot of other events that I'm currently not trying to look at. And step 1 can have the main event I first select. Step 2 has like 4 or 5 events. Is there a way to limit like the events that get displayed for each step to just what I want to look at? So for example, if you add another event to this, on that left-hand side, could you add another event to this? If you switch from starting with and maybe you switch it to like, between.
Like between. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. I think the question where we're heading is basically working with the filters. So if you want to reduce noise to basically like work with this here. So if you want to exclude a couple of events or either like very specific events that you want to exclude or you want to only include specific events, that will probably be your friend here to work with that.
Okay. Thank you.